Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Bangla. Today I will show you how chicken jalfrezi is being cooked in Indian restaurants. So anyone who is interested in becoming chef must watch this video. For everyday new video, please subscribe to my channel. Get notification every new video. Please press the bell icon on. First of all, the chef had added about 3 cloves of garlic, chopped garlic, into a half spoon of oil, and then pre-fried onions and some peppers are being added. So he throws away the burnt onions, so you have to make sure it's pre-fried but not burnt. Next, he will be adding the spices. So here goes tomato puree, chili powder, mixed curry powder, salt, and methi leaves. And you have to make sure you mix them all together and then add the chicken. In this particular restaurant, they add 7 pieces of chicken to a portion. So he's cooking a portion of jalfrezi, so he's adding 7 pieces. Pre-cooked chicken is added, and then keep stirring and add gravy to the mixture and cook for maybe 10 minutes. For 10 minutes, and then he adds some coloring and coriander and leaves it for another 5 minutes, making sure it doesn't burn. Keep stirring, and remember the chicken now pre-cooked as well. And then he adds some tomatoes, and look at the delicious color. And he added some green chilies, chopped green chilies. Excess oils are being thrown away. And here you have chicken jalfrezi.